Tired of being stuck with video when all you want is the audio? Let's unlock the secrets of extracting audio from video on your Android device, using a couple of easy methods. First, download an MP3 Converter app from the Google Play Store. A popular choice is called MP3 Video Converter, but feel free to explore and find one with good ratings and reviews. Once installed, open the app. You'll usually see a straightforward interface with options to select a video file. Tap the Select Video or similar button. Now, navigate to the video file you want to convert. This might be in your gallery, downloads folder, or another location where you store videos. Tap on the video to select it. The app will load the video and present you with conversion options. You'll typically be able to choose the output format. Make sure it's MP3 for audio. You might also be able to adjust the bitrate, which affects the audio quality and file size. A higher bitrate means better quality, but a larger file. When you're happy with the settings, tap the Convert button. The conversion process will begin, and a progress bar will usually indicate the remaining time. Once the conversion is complete, the audio file will be saved to your device, often in a designated folder like MP3 Converter or Music. You can now find and play the audio file using your favorite music player. Alternatively, if you prefer not to install an app, you can use an online video to audio converter. Just search for online video to MP3 converter in your browser and choose a reputable website. Upload your video file to the website. Select MP3 as the output format and download the converted audio. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to convert video to audio on your Android device. Now you can easily save those music tracks, podcasts, or sound effects for all your creative projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips.